Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ford Focus SE. Under the hood we have a 2-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in blue. It looks fantastic. You got that Ford badging up front there with your halogen headlights there. Very nice. Coming around the side here, we do have our tires, our Continental brand tires. They look great. They do have 16 rims as well. Coming up here, we do have heated exterior mirrors with our turning signal on them. And coming around the back here, we do also have our SE Flex fuel badging, as well as the Focus and the Ford there. Now it can open it up just right here. Lots of room back here. Looks great. Very soft as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up. You do also have your spare tire just underneath there, and those seats do fold forward if you did need extra room. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock all the doors. 1 press to lock them. We got the panic button and the button there to open up the back. We also do have our remote start here. Long press, and it does start right up for us. Gets it nice and warm for us in the winter. We can unlock and take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You got your handle here and some storage down here at the place for a water bottle. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats. You do also have the controls over the lights here. So you have the off, the on, the daytime running lights, and the auto, as well as this one opens up the back, and your in-cabin light control here. And then up here, we do have the control over the turning signals and the high beams. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also says how many kilometers we have, 19,000, not too bad at all. Now you can switch that guy around in the middle, so you got your speed right now. You also have your trip odometer, as well as your average fuel. You got your icon, your distance till empty, your trip timer, and then all those different guys there. You can switch things around a little bit as well to your trip 2. You also have your information and your settings. Now you can access all those things. You do have the control over that right here, as well as your cruise control, horn in the center, and your Bluetooth options here, all right there. You do also have the control over your windshield wipers right there as well. And then in the center, we do have our radio. It looks great. So you do have your AM and your FM in there as well. You do have your different media tabs over here if you have one hooked up through CD, USB, your line, your Bluetooth, or your mobile apps. Now, that is all controlled from down here. You do also have a backup camera when you are in reverse. Looks great. Down here, we do have our CD player up here, your different buttons here with the eject, your presets down here. You have your volume up and down with your power, as well as you have your tuner and browser over here. You have your radio, sound, media button, your skips, your selectors, hazard lights, phone, menu, and clock. And then down here, you do have your power up and down, AC, heated seats, your defrost up here with where it's going to blow out of, heated seat for the passenger, and your heat and cold over there. You do have a USB plug-in with some storage, a little plug-in there, heated seat or heated steering wheel right there, and your gear shift right here. You do have your cup holders here, and you do have some storage right there as well with a USB and an aux cord plug-in. Over here we do have our glove box with lots of room in it and our owner's manual. And then up top you got the control over your sunroof, as well as you do have a sunglass holder right there. And there is our sunroof, looking great. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you have your handle, control over your windows, handle here, and some storage down there. Looks great in here, very comfortable. Same material as the front. You got this button here to fold the seat down, and you do have some extra room there as well. There's our 2-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2015 Ford Fusion SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself, take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.